Composite decking is a great alternative to traditional lumber decking. It's eco-friendly and is low maintenance. Composite decking offers many benefits that lumber does not. Composite decking can be purchased as tiles or boards. Tiles are quick and easy to install and can be customized to make fun patterns and designs. Boards look like traditional lumber for a classic look. They require more expertise installing than traditional lumber, but are much easier to maintain. Composite decking is very durable and resistant to mold, mildew, and rot. Bugs stand no chance against composite decking, and it won't splinter or fade like traditional lumber. You also will never have to sand or refinish your deck, so you can enjoy your deck for longer. Composite decking is also easy to maintain and clean. All you need is a broom or water hose to get the job done. Composite decking can be used indoors or outdoors for patios, decks, or showers. It's also great for people who are renting. Deck tiles are easily installed and can be taken apart when it's time to move. If you desire an easy to maintain and an easy to enjoy deck, composite decking is the perfect solution.